Let's begin by doing some prep. Cut up 2 medium-sized potatoes into pretty large chunks. Then cut up 2 carrots pretty chunky as well. Soak them in cold water and set that aside. Then slice 2 medium-sized onions. Slice 2 green onions or scallions, however you want to call them. Slice a few slices of Japanese fish cake. Now, in a large pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add 1 pound of thinly sliced beef. Either chuck or ribeye would work well. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Sauté the beef for a couple of minutes until it changes color. Then add the sliced onions and sauté until the onions become translucent. And after a couple of minutes, add the potatoes and the carrots, followed by 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. Then bring the pot to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low and continue simmering for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are cooking Japanese-style udon. Cooking udon is very easy. We are using frozen udon, but any type of udon will work. In a large pot of hot boiling water, add your udons in and cook for about 1 minute. Once your udon noodles are soft and tender, transfer into a bowl. And after simmering for 15 minutes, the potatoes would be fork tender. Now, we are using half a box of Japanese curry. You should be able to find the Japanese curry cubes in most grocery stores. However, if you are unable to find them, I will leave a link in the description box down below so you can get them online. Break up the curry cubes and add to the pot. Stir the pot for a few minutes until the curry cubes have been dissolved and incorporated. You may save the other half for another time. All left to do is to serve either over rice or noodles. Serve over noodles or white rice, either way is fine. It is so delicious either way, but I prefer with udon. Udon, I love some udon. Garnish with scallion and the Japanese fish cakes. Yo, I am pretty sure that now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, how I make Japanese beef curry. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!